Now, there are some of you who are reducing the age on your passports, and you're coming to ask me how you're going to justify that age, because the age on your YX certificate and the age on your transcript is completely different from what you have on your passport, because you have reduced the passport age. Now, you need to understand that the Canada visa officers are not stupid. So if you're reducing the age on your passport, do it wisely. Don't reduce it so much that the time you went to primary school and secondary school, you were just 6 years old, okay? You need to be wise. And then you need to know that they would understand if the age on your transcript and on your passport is different, that somebody must have changed something somewhere. Now, what you need to do is to get a court affidavit to say that your age is actually the age on the passport and not the one on your transcript or YX certificate, and then there was a mistake, and hope that the visa officers will understand and will believe you. So like I said before, use your church mind and use integrity, use sense when you're changing the age on your passport, if you need to change it at all. I always tell people, keep things simple, keep things real. If you don't have to change the age on your passport, then don't do that. I hope this was really valuable to you and that you take the correction. Bye for now.